So recently I made a video where I showcased the newest things I added to my realistic Roblox horror game. One of those things were notes that the player can pick up and read what it says. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own. Before we get into the video though, make sure you hit that like button as well as that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 7,000 subscribers, so help us get there. Anyways, let's get into the video. Alright, so we're in studio and there's a couple new things added to the kit. The first thing is this wall. You don't really have to worry about that. The next thing is this paper interact model. And inside of it is a decal, which is what's displayed right here, and the surface UI. And basically what this displays is, if you remember in that previous video, it has like a blinking red exclamation point that flashes over and over again. It's kind of just like a notification to the player to come click on this. And the next thing that's in the kit is in replicated storage is this new UI folder, and it has a paper UI and a sign UI. So just make sure to update your kit with all the new things that I've added. A lot of people were asking me about the program I was using to actually make the note decal, and I use this thing called PicMonkey. It is paid, but it is really good, and I thought the note came out looking really nice. So once you're done making your note on whatever program it is, you're gonna go ahead and save it to your computer, and I'll show you the next step. Once you have your image created, you're gonna want to upload it to Roblox. To do this, you're going to want to go to create, you're going to go to dashboard, you're going to go to development items, you're going to click decals, and you're going to upload your asset to Roblox. Once you have your image uploaded to Roblox, you're going to hover over it, click the three dots, and click copy asset ID. We're going to head back over to studio, we're going to go to paper interact, open it, click the decal, and we're going to paste that ID into the texture. Now it's pretty much all set up, so let's go to home and let's test it out. And as you can see, when we walk up to the paper, you could see that blinking red exclamation point, and then when we click on it, we can interact, and then we can X out of it. So that's how you make your own interactable note UI, I guess, in Studio. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you join my Discord server linked in the description or the pinned comment. We have great staff, and we try to help you with any bugs or errors that you guys may have. If you guys have any suggestions for the kit, leave them in the comments below. Chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.